guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan and I'm a Namibian YouTuber. So today we're going to style this wig from to this look right now, what I have right now. So I bought a wig from Naija Beauty, which is a Nigerian company, but I think they drop ship from China because this wig came from China and I did an unboxing already. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, I'm going to list it in the description box and then you can follow it and see all the wigs I got, because I got 3 wigs, 2 I bought and then I got 1 free. So if you're new here, go down below, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to comment. So this is wig Anita. So I'm going to show you the before and then the after. So so this is how it looks before. It's really tight on the head and the hair is a lot, like it's a double drawn wig. Ow. Yeah, so this is how it looks without the customization. Looks good, huh? Yeah, so this is how it looks without the customization. So now we're just going to take it off and then work on it. So we have this curl defining product for my wig. So I'll put it in the curls to define it and try and to style it. And then this one is just for shining. And then I have with me my powder. It's just a Fit Me, a Maybelline Fit Me powder. And then scissors and then the brush. So let's just take off the wig and work on it. So the first thing we do is we take scissors. Okay, so I'm not going to cut out this lace inside because it's giving the false fake scarf thing. So if you remove it, then this is how it's gonna look. But I don't think I want to remove it. I don't think I want to take it out. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace. I'm gonna take my scissors and cut off the lace, and I'm going to do it in kind of zigzag. I hope the scissors work. Maybe they work too well. So I'm just gonna cut it off. Yay! The lace is gone. And then now I'm going to take my powder. And then just try to be honest, you don't need to do anything much with this wig. You can just cut it off and then you start with the styling. But I want to go in a little bit with the powder. I just want to go in a little bit with the powder and make this as natural as possible. Keep on going in with the powder. I can even page here and just go in a little bit, like in the inside. Just go in with the powder. The powder should at least be your skin color, but I don't know, this one is maybe a little bit lighter, but we'll see. Alright, so this is how the scalp looks like now. So I'm gonna put it on my head and style it from there, like while it's on my head. Yay! Okay. this is how it looks. I don't know how I look actually. I'm like, seriously, I don't know how I look. Wait. All right, this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do, yeah, I know maybe you're better than me, but anyways, this is me trying. What I'm going to do is put in the, just gonna put it in. Anyways, my hair was supposed, or the wig was supposed to be wet, but I'm not going to make it wet to achieve the most, or the luxurious look. I'm not going to make it wet. Okay guys, somebody called me and then I had to lose my video, so I've just been recording without knowing that the phone was actually recording. So now I did this without putting in water, so now I just filled up this bottle. It was air freshener so it's what I use for my water. It's really good. So I'm just gonna spray my hair and see. I'm gonna spray the wig and then see how it will turn out, because I've already put in a lot of this defining, curling, whatever. So I'm just going to spray water and see how it will turn out. If need be, I'll add more. Uh-oh, I just sprayed my ear. I think it's gonna need some cutting, especially here. As you can see, this hair is just until here, and then this goes all the way. I don't know if I like how that looks. So keep going. So just make sure you don't use a comb on this hair. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more product. Uh-oh. This is it, guys. This is it. So this is the hair from Naija Beauty. It's with Anita. I don't know, do you like it? The volume is amazing. It's a double drawn wig. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, I think I do. It looks pretty cool. It looks pretty well. It looks pretty good. And here I think I'm gonna need to add a little bit more product, or I'm just going to bleach it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna cut it more, but so far from a distance it looks good. By the way, if anybody is too close to see this, then they shouldn't even be that close, except if they are like your best friends or your significant others or whatever. But yeah, this is how it looks. Wig Anita from Naija Beauty. By the way, I was so disappointed with the shipping, or not with the shipping, but with the package, because there was no gift. I haven't seen a wig company that doesn't give wig caps. They didn't give me a wig cap or even eyelashes. Other wig companies give gifts. This one, nothing. I didn't get nothing. Of course, the wig, because I bought this, and then you get a wig, but what am I supposed to put under my wigs? It's just like the wig. Okay, the free wig I got was because I bought things to the value of the certain amount that they had. Like, you buy this amount and then you get a free wig. But what is the other gift? Like, I know maybe I'm being ungrateful, but I feel like every wig package should come with a wig cap, you know, especially now they're coming from China, and I know wig caps in China are not that expensive. I know I'm being unreasonable. What do you think? Do you like the wig? Like, do you like it? Tell me, comment down below if you like the wig. So there you have it, beautiful people. This was wig Anita from Naija Beauty website. So you can check them out, find the wigs you like. They're actually cheap. Like this one maybe was just 1,200. And then when you add shipping and customs, so maybe it gives you around $2,000. But it's good hair, and if you have like 3 pairs, it will be so easy, like to rotate, and they will last you some time. So don't forget to subscribe,